It feels so good to be back, and today we're learning how to animate a car driving down the highway. This was inspired by the Detective Conan TV series. So let's get started. Once you download the assets from Gumroad, come here and long press and click on Convert Layers to Tracks. And notice for the layers we have the road, stars, city, and the sky layers. So let's close the group, and we're going to click on this just to move it so we can resize it. So resize this to the size that you'd like. And you should have the car in there, and I forgot, so here's my car. So now let's click on move again and just resize your car as well. Okay, let's go back down to the city layer here and go ahead and resize that. Just make it a little bigger so we can animate it later. Okay, that looks about right. Now we want to add a beginning keyframe, so click on move and move and scale. And you see the white keyframe there, that's all. So now let's go all the way to the end, just drag it to the end here. Drag it down a little bit until it's white, or tap on it and just resize it to the way you want it to look at the end of this timeline. Now click underneath the track and set all easings and linear. This will keep the pace the same the entire timeline. I did notice you can see the stars through the buildings, so let's just move this long press and bring it underneath the city like this. And then you can see that now you cannot see the stars through the building. Close this group now and go to the car track and click on live performance. And then modify, you're going to want this at 0 so that it can read every movement here. But when you do it, just make sure that you're moving pretty slowly. I did try some jittery fast movements, but it did not translate well here. So just kind of slow like that. And take a look. That seems like it's a good pace here. Press stop for the live perform. Let's go down to the group here now. And let's go down to the road. We're going to draw the dashed line. So click on add track and click on the pen tool here. And we want to have maybe syrup. Okay, and we're going to grab this and bring it down for the flipbook. And we'll just do this frame by frame. Just draw a dotted line that you see on the highway. It doesn't have to be perfect because this will be moving pretty fast. You can change the color or the depth of the color so you can see it better. Let's turn the opacity up so you can clearly see it. And just go frame by frame and try to make it look like it's moving past the car. You definitely don't want it to make it look like the car is going backwards. Okay, so just do frame by frame. Again, doesn't have to be perfect, but we're gonna make like 5 frames here. Okay, so let's group them together. Click on the edge here and press your finger here or anywhere and just make it a little longer so the frames will move a little slower. Group these together, long press here and group. Okay, now this is all just one group. Click on filter, Gaussian blur, and it's about 1% or so. You don't want it so clear that it becomes the focus of the animation. So keep duplicating, long press, duplicate, long press, duplicate. We're duplicating each group now, so it's a lot quicker to do it this way. Long press, duplicate. When you have enough, you can actually group these groups together and duplicate just 1 or 2. Okay, I'll show you that right here. Group all of these groups together, long press, group, duplicate that entire group. And looks like we need to do it one more time. Okay, that should do it. Looks good. Let's go down to the road track now, and we're actually going to use the Gaussian blur. So click on this little playhead, filter, Gaussian blur, and we'll bring this to about 1% as well. Okay, it kind of matches the other side now. Let's take a look. Let's play it, see if it looks okay. Okay, it's kind of consistent now. Let's go down to the group, bring it up, click on Add Track. In the Draw tool, let's pick a brush. We want the pencil. Procreate pencil is fine. And just bring the opacity all the way up and just start drawing 1, 2, 3, about 4 or 5 lines. This will show that the wall is also moving by. Bring the flipbook back up and go to the next frame and just go a little to the left and draw the same type of line. Try to keep it consistent so it looks like it's the same line moving by. Doesn't have to be perfect, but it does have to be a little consistent. Okay, and just keep doing this. You can keep going back and forth too, just to see how it looks. And if it's not right, erase it and try it again. Okay, and usually I just like to do about 5 frames, and then that's where I group them and duplicate them so we don't have to do so many frames. So let's group it, draw a line through it, long press, group, filter. We're going to make a Gaussian blur so it doesn't stand out too much. And we'll do 1% or the very end of 0. Okay, 1%. So just test it out before you group and duplicate them. If you make one little mistake that you're not happy with and you realize you've grouped and duplicated a lot, you have to start all the way over again. So just make sure you like it before you group them and duplicate them. Okay, I think that's about it. We're doing a great job. Let's 4 fingers just to test it out. Look at that. Looks really good. Okay, now we want to add some more effects on the road here. Add track. And again, we'll do this on its own track. Let's go to the drawing tool and we're going to change the color, do a little more black, and we're going to stick with Procreate pencil. Now here you just draw some random lines and we're going to end up using the flipbook with this as well. So you will see that soon. Try to make it the direction of how the car is driving. Again, doesn't have to be perfect, but it'll give it a good sense like the car is moving forward. So in the next frame, just kind of draw the same type of lines. It can be a little more random because that's how concrete is. That's how the highway is. But just make sure it kind of follows the same path. Again, go back and forth with the flipbook. And as you get further away from the car, you're gonna maybe angle it to follow the highway and also make it a little smaller and even a little lighter. So don't press so hard on your Apple Pencil. Okay, you can see it coming together now. Now we have 5 frames. Click on the drawing tool. Let's go back to the flipbook. And we want to kind of fill in the other parts because there's not just one rough line on a highway. So we kind of want to animate 2 or 3 of these, but on the same tracks. Try not to get too messy. It starts looking like you're riding over hay or grass. But we just want to make it look like it's the rough highway. Okay, about 6 frames here. All right, let's start grouping them together as always. Long press, group, and you get the idea. Okay, let's do opacity. We're gonna bring it down so it doesn't stand out. 49 or 50% is good. And before we duplicate this group, we also want to make it blurry, so click on Gaussian blur, and about 1% is fine. Okay, it looks a little better. Okay, now you can start grouping and duplicating. click the grouping again just to disable it. And let's go down to the car layer or track. Click Add Track. And we want to click the drawing tool. Let's use a bluish, dark bluish color. And we're going to make the scene overall a little darker because it's nighttime. You want the headlights in the car to stand out. So let's just drag it here and click on layers, and we'll go to multiply, and then you can adjust it to make it as dark as you want or as light as you want. So let's just click on this long press and drag it underneath the car so the car is going to stand out. Let's drag it to the beginning, and you'll see when I click on the playhead and drag it past this that it will become darker and lighter. So it makes a big difference. Okay, so long press, fill duration, and done. Click on the car layer and click Add Track, and we're gonna add some effects on these tires here. So bring up the flipbook. Let's change it to black or dark gray. And we're gonna use a Procreate pencil again, just to give it a rough look. And just start drawing some vertical lines up here like this on both tires. Okay, now we can use the flipbook. Just grab this and bring it down. And here we don't have to necessarily move it up. We can stay on the same level, I guess, and just draw random lines. They'll naturally be different than the last frame, so it will look like the tires are moving. Okay, looking good. Again, here we have 4 frames. Group these together, group and draw a line, long press, group, and we're going to filter and use opacity. We'll bring it down just a little bit, or a lot. 35% is good. Okay, so it's not very noticeable. All right, that looks pretty good. And click on this again, filter, and we're gonna do the Gaussian blur a little bit, maybe about 1%. Okay, long press, duplicate, long press, duplicate. And that should be about it. Now to preview, just tap with 4 fingers. And that's a wrap. I hope this level up tutorial gave you some new skills to explore in Procreate Dreams. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Be sure to check out the links below for my children's book and online shop. Keep leveling up with Procreate Dreams by clicking on these videos. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.